daily bites for me out here in California. Well, Nevada actually. It's about 5:45 this morning. And yes, I'm up early today for all you guys to do the daily bites today. Probably going to be doing this on Thursday as well too. So welcome everyone. Thanks for being with me. It's March 4th, 2024. Quick word on a couple of things. First of all, markets had a really strong day on Friday. We saw a lot of stuff that was rallying. One of the names that we had, of course, was DELL. That was a real strong move on Friday. Reduced some of that exposure, quite a bit of it actually on Friday out in the open, and moved some stuff around. And of course, we're seeing today, markets are a little bit soft, but we do see some of the familiar names which we've been playing over the past several weeks, like SMCI is up now. Of course, that stock is being added into the S&P 500 on the I believe, and also so SMCI you can see is up a good $145, 16%, as hedge funds and S&P 500 index funds are going to have to add this name. So they're just going to pile in a little bit early, and so it's nice. And then NVIDIA up another $20, up new all-time high, 842, strong there. Palantir, and we can see where's the weakness coming in. Obviously, it's Apple, because Apple has been now broken 180, removed from the conviction buy list from Goldman Sachs last week. And that's a big deal. Broadcom is up strong today as well. And again, mentioned NVIDIA. Netflix is one that's on my radar screen, which I've been playing more recently. I think the stock's got some room left to go, probably get to 700 or so before earnings come out in April. So keep an eye on that one. So as far as the market's concerned, you can see here we've been pretty volatile overnight. We hit a nice level on Friday, and then Sunday we opened up slightly higher, hit a high up here, 51.41. We're down to about 51.37, so we're down about 8.5 handles. NASDAQ has just turned green. Futures, Dow Industrials are down. I'm not sure which is the reason for that. Could be Apple and a couple of other names as well too. See, volatility is kind of muted right here. Had a big strong day for the equity markets on Friday, and the VIX came down really hard on that day. And you can see here how sharply lower that VIX was. As we look at the internals over here, you can see lots and lots of green on the ticks. We can see over here the bold had a real strong day, 2 days in a row, 3 out of 4 last week. ADD, not so great, but also ticks here on the New York Stock Exchange were pretty strong. So what does that tell us? That tells us basically that we think that the market is going to continue on, right? When we see these strong ticks like this, we see all these internals starting to line up and moving in the direction of where the market is going. That's a positive for the market. So just play it one day at a time here, folks. Don't worry about not having any protection. If you do have some protection on, I do. The puts are going to help a little bit this morning, not too much. They certainly didn't help last week. However, remember what I always say, having some puts on helps you feel better about buying calls going along the market. So just a couple things. So this week we have a week of earnings. Everybody says the earnings season is over. You tell me. Look at this board, and you tell me if you think earnings season is over. We got Costco coming out Thursday, Broadcom, Marvell, and Mongo. Tomorrow morning, you got Target. Today, after the close, stock that I like a lot. I'll show it to you in a few minutes. The Secret's coming out Wednesday after the close. You've got ChargePoint. You've got CrowdStrike, which is a big name. A lot of people play, myself included. And then a few other smaller names. You've got Campbell Soups, Foot Locker, JD.com, Abercrombie & Fitch. So these are some big names that we'll be watching as well too, to see if there's some activity and then some interest. And don't forget, we have Super Tuesday coming tomorrow, which is an election, big huge election day. We also have Chair Powell is on the House floor, is going to be doing his biannual test in front of Congress and the Senate. We'll also have the State of the Union address this week by President Biden. We have the jobs report coming out on Friday. So a lot of economic data coming out in between now and then. So it's going to be a big week for us. It's the first full week of the month of March, and we have We have a birthday to celebrate tomorrow. We'll talk a little bit more about that in the room as well too. So anyhow, have a great day, everyone. And again, you know, I'm remote today, but hopefully I'll be back next week, next Monday actually. I may not be doing the bites. Probably gonna be pushing it off to Tuesday because I think I'll be flying into New York City at about 9:30. So I don't think I'll be able to do the bites on the plane. That would be interesting if I could try that, but we'll see. Anyhow, have a great day, everyone. Good trading. And oh wait, I was going to show you a chart of a minute here. A second here. So this is a chart I wanted to show you here of GitLab. Okay, this is stock that's got earnings later on today. I'm going to be buying some more calls in this one. You can see the stock's making a nice series of higher highs and higher lows, and you know, it's just broke out the recent highs from back in last year. Let's take a look at the daily chart. There we go. Still very impressive looking chart with higher highs and higher lows. And you can see the candles are still blue, which you like that. You like it, you like the blue candles. MACD is about ready to turn up for a buy signal. And some of these other indicators like the stochastics, the Chandy oscillator, which is up here, and money flow are still very bullish and very positive. So this is a stock you might want to take a look at today. And I love Target. Target's always been on my radar screen. I think the stock's going to cut some room to 175, 180. And you can see that stock has been performing extremely well since the last earnings report in November, just making higher highs and higher lows, creeping on up there. Of course, we know Walmart produced good numbers, so that Costco's coming out later on this week. So, you know, I think that that Target's got a good shot to really move after tomorrow. So have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you guys all back on Thursday morning, hopefully. If I get up in the morning early enough, and I'll see you guys all back then. All right, take care, guys. Bye.